This is Jim with Jim's Garage Toys, and I'm going to do a quick startup on my Corolla IM, 2017 Corolla IM. I have installed a DC Sports cold air intake, DC Sports ceramic header, and my DNA exhaust. And so I'll do a quick startup. The car's warm. I just got back from a 300-mile trip today. And I'll do a quick startup on it so you can hear what the exhaust sounds like. I've had a lot of people ask about it, so just do a quick one here and so you can get a sample of it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. So that is a warm startup of my header, exhaust, and intake.